Everybody, Maxi Mabula here, civil engineer. So today I'll be teaching you how to use this. It's a handheld GPS. You can use it for taking survey measures and also for dating anyway. It's by Garmin. So a handheld GPS, it's used together with your field book. So this is my field book. It's my field book and a handheld GPS. So with this tool, you can take coordinates and you can plot them on your computer, where you can then use them to do something. So this is your quick survey. I'm gonna teach you how to do a quick survey with this one and this one. You also need a pen to not jot down the stuff. So we'll be starting now. You press the power button, the red one, and it will start. The power is on. So now that the power is on, we'll navigate. Right, get to the menu. Actually, you quit and then you navigate to the menu. When you're at the menu, this is your menu. You go to the satellite. This is your satellite. So you press enter at the satellite. So now it will start corresponding to the satellite that's within your area. So when you have gained the satellite, you press enter. It's acquiring the satellites. So it's acquiring the satellites that are within my area. So right now what it's doing is trying to acquire the satellites. So it will try that until it's complete. So I think there will be a satellite somewhere there out of space and somewhere this side out of space. There's so many satellites out there. So it's trying to find the satellites. Like if you can see, it's written acquiring satellites. So still gotta wait for it to load. So now we have found the satellites. Now wait for it to calculate the meters within that area. So it's going to calculate that meters within that area. Right. So while we still wait for it, this is your field book. This is where you jot down all the coordinates, and from that you can get the coordinates. I already had some coordinates in this book. Here are some coordinates, so I'll show you inside how you can do that. So you do them with this two, this and this, and then you're done. So thank you for watching. Now we'll be going to compute with this, the information we just got here, because if you can see, this is the south and the east coordinates within this area. So it will calculate those areas, and if you move to the other area,